Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here to Naturalgrowthsecret, you're welcome. And to all my sweet, amazing returning family, you're welcome back again to Naturalgrowthsecret. So today's video is going to be my updated rice water, how to use rice water properly to effectively grow your hair. And if you don't make this properly, it might really damage your hair. So this is the right way that I found to make rice water that really works for me. This is an updated routine or recipe. So if you enjoyed this video and you love it, please share and like, leave a comment, and you can also super chat me by super thanking me with a little token. Okay, so and to this rice water I am going to be adding in ginger and onion, which will make it super effective. So if you have been growing your hair with rice water and you are not seeing results, adding other especially these two ingredients, which is very powerful, will make it super amazing. So guys, the video is self-explanatory. I hope you guys enjoy and love this video and watch the video to the end. For those of you that don't like watching video to the end, you are missing a lot, because there's a lot of details and a lot of fun watching videos to the end. So which you should watch this video to the end. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a deep conditioner with the remaining part of your rice. So as you can see, I went ahead to blend my onion and ginger depending on the amount of the water that you are making. So just take a little bit of like one onion and one large ginger, blend it together, extract the juice and add it to your fermented rice water. So you can make rice water in different ways. I went ahead to infuse it in a pan or a pot, and which is going to make it very fast. You can also do this 3 to 4 days by leaving it in a glass jar. Leave it 3 to 4 days. Just blend the ginger and onion inside if you have time. But if you don't have time like me, since I'm a content creator, I will just do this method. I've been doing this method and it has been working for me for over a year now. Like, I've updated my rice water. I no longer use only rice water. I just add in ginger and onion. Oh my god, twice a month I do this. You can do this once a month or twice a month or 3 times. Just do it consistently and then reduce it to once a month if you are just beginning to use rice water. And again, you can use any rice of your choice, and black rice is known to be filled with a lot of amazing benefits. Black rice is more healthy, and also it contains a good source of several nutrients which will grow your hair faster. And right here I'm just spraying my hair with the rice water. You can do this overnight, leave it for 30 minutes. You can use it as a pre-poo, as an overnight treatment, as a spray. Thoroughly spray your hair with this rice water. Guys, I'm focused on my scalp because our hair grows from the scalp. So after that, leaving it for about 30 minutes, I went ahead to wash my hair. So I'm going to be thoroughly washing my hair and then leaving you guys to enjoy the rest of the video while I wash this with you.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So it's time for my deep conditioner. I'm going to be making my own rice deep conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner or conditioner of your choice. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the remaining part of your rice to make a conditioner or a deep conditioner. So just add extra water after removing your fermented water, like the infused water which you guys saw me used on my hair. So I added few more waters and then I allowed it to properly cook. I'm also going to be adding bananas. You guys know that bananas are very healthy for your hair. Bananas contain silica. It helps to make our hair stronger and also thicker. Bananas have antimicrobial properties. They help to make our scalp really healthy. They help with dry flaky scalp. And I am going to be blending the bananas with my rice. This two combination is amazing. It makes your hair very shiny and soft and moisturized. After the rice water treatment, this is one amazing conditioner or mask that you should apply. Or if you have any other amazing mask or deep conditioner that you prefer, you can use it after the rice water treatment to make your hair soft and improve shine and moisture. So I am going to be using a cheesecloth or this my regular hair net, guys, to remove the particles. And over here, this is it. It looks smooth. It is let me not go and bite my tongue, guys, but this is absolutely looking yummy. If you are dealing with hair that feels tangle all the time, or you want to detangle your hair, you can add in aloe vera gel or flaxseed gel. So I made a flaxseed gel recently, which is my last video. Please check the description box to watch the video. And I also made a water-based moisturizer. So I moisturize my hair after this treatment, guys. So this is what the mask or the deep conditioner look like. You can cover your hair again, let it heat up, and then go ahead to rinse your hair with warm water or cold water. And then I styled my hair, guys. I stretch it out and then I moisturize my hair. My hair was back to life. It was shiny and bouncy and it was amazing. So guys, can you guys see the shine, the softness, the bounciness? Your hair will be really healthy. So I know I was just rambling on this voiceover. The kids are at home and they are just disturbing me. I need to share this video quickly with you guys today. So happy weekend, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.